Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power on the Marshall Miner 3 and confirm it has at least 20% battery. Otherwise, charging can interrupt the reset. Once powered, locate the tiny multifunction button near the right ear cup. You'll use a pin. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your host device and forget the earphones in your Bluetooth list. This prevents automatic reconnection. This first step prepares both headset and host, so the actual reset won't be blocked by leftover pairings or low power. Now you perform the hard reset. With the device on, press and hold the multifunction/pairing button using the pin for about 8 to 10 seconds. Pay attention, the LED will change to alternating red and white flashes, which tells you the unit entered reset mode. Hold until the lights stop and the earphones power down or power cycle. This is the device clearing stored Bluetooth pairings and restoring factory network settings. Once done, the unit should boot into a clean, default state ready for repairing. Finish by entering pairing mode. After the reset, press the multifunction button briefly so the LED begins pairing flashes. Your host device should now discover Marshall Miner 3. Select it to pair. You may need to confirm a pairing prompt. If pairing fails, make sure the headset has a full charge, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, and retry the reset. One key troubleshooting tip: if LEDs stay solid or no lights show, charge for 30 minutes and repeat the hard reset. Low battery often blocks resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.